Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2007 Chevy Silverado. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side. First thing you're going to notice are the oversized tires, tons of tread left, great set of BSA wheels. We're just going to be looking up and down the panels for any signs of dents, stings, scratches. This model does have the Vortec Max 6.2 liter. Nice extended cab truck. Driver's side looks great. No signs of any scratching or wearing there. This model does have a trailer tow. Of course, it's got dual exhaust as well. One little spot there. Overall exterior looks great. Taking a look now at the interior. Driver's seat does have full power. Black leather seating throughout. 123,387 is your current mileage. This model does have navigation, AM, FM, CD, XM satellite radio. It does have dual climate control, a couple power ports here for you. And this is the 5-passenger arrangement, unlike the 6-passenger arrangement with the bench seat. Really nice, gives you that console, gives you some extra storage there. And then all the flooring surfaces will be black, great for not showing signs of staining. Taking a look in the back seat now. Do a nice slow pan over those seats. The back seats in this truck look absolutely perfect. You do have an additional power port back here, as well as some cup holders for those rear seat passengers. And this, of course, like all Chevys, is a 60/40 split. Flip that up out of the way, now you've got good access to that cargo space. Looking in the bed of the truck now, you'll notice they've got a spray-in liner throughout. And then this has a roll top cover that actually has its own storage compartment. So we can go ahead and close that up for you there. It again, really nice shape. Previous owners taking really good care of all this equipment. We'll finish up on the passenger side, giving you one more look at that back seat. You do have a sliding rear glass back here as well. And then we'll come up to the front. Full power for the front passenger as well as the driver. One more look around. That'll wrap up your Chevy Silverado.